Hey guys, what's up? It's Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick and easy video on how to recreate Ariana Grande's iconic slicked back high ponytail look, even with fine shorter hair like mine, because we're going to be using a hairpiece today. So I was up one night, I couldn't fall asleep, and of course I was shopping online on my phone, and I was looking for a really good ponytail extension hairpiece. I've tried a couple of different ones. I've ordered ones from popular hair extension websites, and I've tried ones from Amazon, but none of them really looked realistic to me. I feel like they all have that really fake ponytail look to them, if you know what I mean. And then I came across this one, which I was really interested in trying because a lot of people left great reviews for it, and it's super affordable. It was around $15. So I got it from sallybeauty.com, and it is the Sassy Collection Straight Drawstring Ponytail. This is a 26-inch long ponytail, which is super long, and it is synthetic hair, which is why it is a little bit more affordable. $15 is a great price, but you just can't really use heat tools on it. I think it says you can style it with really low heat, but I haven't tried to do anything like that. I just wanted it to be a straight ponytail, and I believe it's around 83 grams of hair in this ponytail, which at first I didn't think was that much, but you'll see in a minute. This is really thick, and I actually got two of them, so I have two ponytails just in case I wanted to cut one of them or do something crazy with it, or if I wanted to do two pigtails or something. But I wanted to just play around with these. So I have talked about voluminous ponytails in the past and how you can create that look using clip-in extensions. I'll link that video in the cards. I have a little trick that I like to do with my clip-in extensions to create that nice full look since my hair is a lot shorter. So I played around with this right when I got it because I was just way too excited, and I really liked the way it looked, and I'm also really impressed with how the hair looks on this, even though it is synthetic. I have it in the shade number 4 brown, which is also like a perfect match to my hair. All of the other clip-in ponytail extensions that I've had in the past have a super shiny, like plastic fake look to it. This one by far is the most realistic looking synthetic ponytail hair extension I've seen. And again, it is a straight ponytail, but if you look really up close, each individual strand of synthetic hair has a little bit of a kink to it. You can't really see or tell unless you go really straight up to it, but I think that's why it gives it a lot more of a natural human hair extension look. I'm just gonna show you guys what my ponytail looks like when I put my hair up with my natural hair. Okay, I have a ton of flyaways, which I need my hairspray, but this is what it looks like when I pull my natural hair back. It's like basically non-existent. So I never usually wear my hair like this because I hate the way it looks. It's always either in a bun or I'll pull it back with my hair extensions in. That's why I wanted an easy ponytail hairpiece to just like plop on when I want that look. Okay, let me just smooth these down because it's driving me crazy. Let me show you what the actual clip on this looks like because it is a drawstring ponytail. So here's the drawstring. I'm just gonna loosen it. And then here's this space where you tuck your own ponytail into. And there are hair combs on the top and bottom of this. So you fit it right at the top and right at the bottom of your ponytail. And you tuck all of your hair into this space. And then you tighten the drawstring around your ponytail. And once it's nice and snug, you just wrap the drawstring around the base of your ponytail and tuck it in with a hairpin. So I'm just gonna demonstrate that really quickly, but let me put my hair into a tiny bun. The smaller the bun, the better, because it'll just fit a lot easier into that drawstring. Okay, this is the best I can do. It's the smallest I can get my little bun, and do not come for me and my little egg-shaped head. So I'm gonna loosen this back up. But baby, that's a lie. Then you're gonna find that drawstring and just tighten it as much as you can. You wanna secure it on your bun. And then with the elastic, you're just going to wrap it around the base. I take the little end after I wrapped it around and I just put a bobby pin on it, and then I stick it right into my hair. and I like that the hairpiece sits really close to your head, so there's not that awkward space between your head and the ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna get some eyeshadow because I know you guys are judging me. I'm just gonna put it in my bald spot so you can stop staring at it. My baby hairs are driving me crazy, but this is the finished look. It's super easy to do, which is why I said this is gonna be a quick video. It literally only took me like maybe 10 minutes to put my hair in a bun and attach the ponytail, and I think it looks really cute. Again, this is just for fun. If you don't like this look or hair pieces or whatever, that's fine. You can stay liking what you like, and I'll like what I like over here in my lane. Anyway, like I said, it's super, super long. You can't even see the end of this ponytail, which is why I was thinking about maybe cutting this a little bit shorter, even like to here, because obviously a ponytail this long is probably fake. I don't know whose hair is actually this long, but if your hair is this long, like, that's amazing, that's great, fun. If I wanted to do it more for every day, I would definitely cut this down a little bit shorter so it's more of a natural looking ponytail. And again, it doesn't have that super glossy shine to it where it looks literally like Barbie hair. And I most likely won't be using any heat tools on it, even though I think if this was wavy or if it had like a slight curl to it, it would be really pretty too. But I'll leave the link and info to this hairpiece in the description box. They do have different colors of hair as well. Seriously, for $15 though, this is a look. And that's everything that I have for you guys today. I'm just gonna keep playing with this ponytail now. Check my description for all of the information, and don't forget you can follow me on my social media, link down below for my Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!